The blue pill is an icon, promising a quick solution to a frustrating problem. But do you really understand what happens inside your body, and specifically to your penis, the moment that pill dissolves? This isn't just about blood flow, it's about chemistry, side effects, and long-term dependence. Stick around, and I'll share a free guide that offers 7 natural ways to revive your energy and confidence, addressing the root causes without the chemical rush. For many men, the sudden need for a pill signals more than just a temporary hiccup. It's often a warning light for deeper systemic health issues. The most common cause of performance problems is actually poor vascular health and a deficiency in a crucial signaling molecule called nitric oxide, NO. Your entire circulatory system relies on NO to tell blood vessels to relax and open up. Stress, poor diet, and age cause your body to either produce less NO or break it down too quickly. You have a systemic problem, and the pill is just a localized temporary solution. Comment below. Have you ever wondered about the long-term effects of relying on a chemical solution versus addressing the root cause? Viagra, sildenafil, is a pharmaceutical tool, but it's essential to understand its role. It belongs to a class of drugs called PDE5 inhibitors. Here's the basic science. When you are sexually stimulated, your body's nerve and endothelial cells release nitric oxide, NO. This NO activates an enzyme that produces a messenger chemical called cGMP. It is the cGMP that causes the smooth muscle tissue in the penile blood vessels to fully relax, allowing blood to engorge the corpora cavernosa and create an erection. The erection naturally subsides when the PDE5 enzyme is released to break down the cGMP. It's the body's natural off switch. What the pill does is temporarily and powerfully block the PDE5 enzyme. By inhibiting this natural mechanism, the cGMP messenger stays active much longer than it should, forcing the blood vessels to remain dilated and sustaining the erection. The key takeaway: Viagra does not create nitric oxide or address the reasons why your natural NO might be low. It simply overrides the body's natural cleanup process. The problem is that the PDE5 enzyme is not an isolated worker. It exists in smooth muscle tissues throughout your body. When you introduce a powerful PDE5 blocker into your bloodstream, you get systemic effects that lead to the common side effects. The full body flush. The drug causes vasodilation, blood vessel opening, not just in your penis, but everywhere. This is why many men experience headaches, facial flushing, and sometimes a drop in blood pressure. It's your entire circulatory system reacting to the chemical signal. Sensory interference. PDE5 is also found in the retina of your eyes and in the cochlea of your inner ear. Blocking it can lead to temporary, though usually mild, visual changes, such as seeing a blue-green tinge or, in rare cases, sudden hearing loss. These are direct chemical effects on your sensory organs. The risk of dependence. While long-term studies show good effectiveness, the psychological and physiological reliance is real. If the body becomes accustomed to the chemical hammer blocking the off switch, it may further slow down its own natural on-switch production. You are trading a deeper systemic repair for a short-term chemical boost. The most effective long-term solution is not to block the off switch, but to fix and boost the body's own on switch, nitric oxide production and vessel health. This is the key to both energy and confidence that lasts. The NO diet strategy. Your food is your pharmacy. Intentionally consume foods rich in the precursors to nitric oxide. This means high nitrate vegetables like beets, dark leafy greens, spinach, arugula, and foods rich in the amino acids, L-arginine and L-citrulline. This naturally and safely provides the raw building blocks for vascular health. The endothelial workout. The inner lining of your blood vessels, the endothelium, is where NO is primarily produced. It gets lazy without work. Consistent, moderate activity, like a brisk 30-minute walk or light resistance training, creates shear stress on the vessel walls, signaling them to become stronger and produce more NO. You are literally making your circulatory system more youthful. Microstress management. We've discussed that chronic cortisol is a vascular constrictor. Beyond deep breathing, this means consciously managing your exposure to digital stress, negative news, and overscheduling. This is a deliberate choice to keep your body in a rest and digest state, where circulation is optimized, rather than a fight or flight state, where blood is diverted away from your core functions. Viagra is a tool for a specific situation. It addresses a symptom by overpowering a natural enzyme. The natural rituals, however, are an investment. They address the root cause by boosting your body's natural chemistry, restoring vascular elasticity, and optimizing hormonal balance. The result is not just temporary performance, but a fundamental improvement in your overall health, energy, and, most importantly, confidence. The pill offers a promise of immediate relief, but it asks you to live on borrowed chemistry. The natural path, comprised of the powerful daily rituals we've detailed, offers something far more valuable: restored physiological integrity. When you choose to support your body's natural ability to produce nitric oxide, manage stress, and ensure deep recovery, you are fixing the underlying problem, not just masking the symptoms. You're building a foundation of health that benefits your heart, your brain, your energy levels, and your confidence all at once. This isn't about being anti-medicine, it's about being pro-health and understanding the powerful choice you have every single day to reclaim your youthful function without relying on an external chemical override. The return on investment for these simple rituals is a vitality that lasts far beyond a few hours. Compiled the complete step-by-step roadmap for all of this into a comprehensive resource. That resource is my free ebook, named 7 Natural Ways to Revive Your Energy and Confidence. Inside this guide, I dive deeper into the science, provide clear protocols for all the rituals we discussed, and most importantly, I list the proven natural options and supplements that you can use to dramatically amplify these results. It's the essential next step to reclaiming your vitality. I want you to have this tool. You can download your copy right now, absolutely free, through the link in the description below. Go grab it while it's available. If you found real value in this video, please hit that like button. It's a small click for you, but it genuinely helps me reach more men who need this information. And subscribe to join our community so you don't miss the next powerful video.